everybody, and welcome to Busted Ratchet Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be working on the Datsun's hood. It's sitting right here. I already fixed it, but through TV magic, you're going to be able to go back in time with me and watch me fix this hood. Some of you may have known somebody got drunk and put their hand through the cowl induction. So yeah, we gotta fix that. I fixed it, but like I said, y'all get to watch me fix it. So come on, let's get the show on the road. Sure, that'll be fine. All right, folks. I got my wonderful friend Tyrone here. Say hi to the goddamn camera. Hi, camera.
Hello.
Hello, camera. All right, I was gonna do an intro and have you talking, like doing some weird shit behind me, but we're just gonna forego that and we're just gonna take this hood off. That's what happens when you don't eat. All right, so I'm gonna do this.
You want me to get these ones, or you want to roll one side?
Yep, you can get those ones. Don't take them all the way. Right. Get that one close, we'll take the top one all the way out. I'm holding it, so.
You want me to get my top one off?
Yeah, take your top one out and then we'll do the bottom. And then I'll take your bolt and get it on. The head is the most useful, like, third hand bar or whatever.
That's right.
Yeah. Pretty handy. I'll take that. Alright, now we'll hold it down here. And I've got it supported with my head. So we're gonna hold it down there. You take out your bottom screw.
You want me to take mine out right now?
Yep. Try not to let it drop, right? Alright. Okay. We'll just come this way and set it up. Coming through, camera. The upright wheels just set right up on these. It's good. Beautiful. There it is, guys.
Sir.
Actually, flip it with me real quick because I got to start on the other side. So we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna go this way. In between them. Alright. Perfect. Alright, guys. I found my epoxy. I found my fiberglass, so it's time to get this hood fixed. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. We're just gonna try to stabilize this crack. I got some patches cut, big to small. You'll see what I mean when I go to do that for both the spots. So let's just get the camera in here and get going. I'm gonna mix up some epoxy ahead of time. Y'all don't need to see how to do that. Follow instructions in the back and you'll know how to mix epoxy. So I'm gonna do that and we're gonna come right back. I'm gonna bring you in close and we're gonna work on fixing this crack. First, guys, we're kind of gonna get the area ready. I forgot a step, so let's get some of our sandpaper here and we're gonna sand the area around where we're gonna fix it, and then we're gonna use wax and grease remover and clean it off. We're gonna do this so hopefully the fiberglass has something to hold to. So guys, I'm gonna get this all sanded and ready, and I'll be right back. All right guys, we got it all sanded good enough for the girls we date. I don't date any girls right now. Anyway, let's prep the area. You want to blow it off with the air gun. I blow so much hot air, I'm just as good as an air gun. Wax and grease. There we go. We're ready to do our patching. Should be good enough. All right, now we'll mix our epoxy. I know I made way too much.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Yeah, cause that'll be enough to fix the whole thing.
Probably.
Yeah, do it all around.
Alright guys, you want to paint a nice little layer where you're going to start. Yeah, I made way too much, but that's okay. This stuff is cheap. Alright, so now we start with our small layer, which is this crack. We're going to try to fix this crack down here.
And hopefully we can.
Hopefully we can.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully.
The people might see me brushing.
Will they?
They might.
They might see you brushing.
Yeah. But then I'll be sweeping this all down. What's wrong, Dad?
Oh, this was just not agreeing with me here.
Everyone might think that I'm the sweeper dude.
Yeah, you're the sweeper dude?
Everybody might think I am.
They might think so. My new shop help.
Yeah, you're a new cleaner guy.
Yep.
This floor needs a cleaning.
Yeah, bud.
But it's super oily.
Oh, super oily. Yeah. Did I have a mess in here?
Yeah. I know what that spells.
What's it spell?
It says Berg.
Where?
Yeah, but
BRG?
Yeah.
That's short for Busted Ratchet Garage.
Yeah, but Berg. But sit Ratchet Garage. You know you could have just stayed there. Where, and there.
Could have.
And then Hattie, and it says next time a piece on it too.
A piece.
Yeah, that would be really funny if you made your full video on it.
What?
Yeah. Your first one that you made. Wait, what was the first one that you made?
I'm not sure. It was a long time ago.
Okay. Yeah, you made way.
All right, guys. I'm sorry I'm not talking at all, but this is just busy work. We're trying to just work this fiberglass down. I'm trying to build up a couple layers. Trying to make sure we get all the air pockets out of it.
And most importantly, we're gonna make sure we fix this crack good.
That's right. Make sure we fix it.
So that's a good thing I told the people that.
That's very good that you told the people that.
Because then if they were going to fix their car with a crack, they wouldn't
They'll know how
what
to do it.
No, so that's what I told them.
Okay. Trying to tell the people how to fix their stuff.
Yeah.
I'm sure this will be plenty enough to fix it.
And you know what the people should do when they have a broken car?
What should they do?
Come down here and you can fix it.
Come down here and I'll fix it.
Mhm.
Hear that, guys? Just says come down here, I'll fix your broken cars.
Even if it's an engine leak.
An engine leak?
Yeah.
Maybe.
And even if a windshield's broken.
I ain't working on windshields.
Oh yeah,
You crazy?
there's
Alright.
it's fun talking to the people on the camera.
Is that?
Yeah. This is my second time.
Yeah?
Yep. Because remember I talked to the people before when you were setting that up?
Mm-hmm.
Gee. Excuse me.
You're fine, bud.
Hmm? And do you know what's that?
What, bud?
We used to build a delivery drone.
A delivery drone?
Yeah, but then you can just launch it, and then the people will get their food.
So get your food?
And then
Are you running a restaurant?
and no, like here we should build a delivery plane and just launch it to the people's house and let's build a little catcher thing for it to not just keep flying. Wait a minute.
Oh, like what we saw on TV?
Hang on a second. Our drone could be the delivery plane.
It could.
Yeah, because if we can land it. And if Mitch needs a delivery, it'll be there, right? It will be there right before he could say Merry Christmas.
A little extra.
Okay,
We'll do is,
now are you done?
I think we'll do a little patch on here.
Hey, that'll be no problem, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what we would have to do?
What do we have to do, bud?
All we would have to do is like, do you have any more fiber for that?
Yeah, I have more.
Oh, Dad, you know what we can do? We can just stop supervising the package right here.
This one.
Yep.
We're gonna fix this crack right here.
What was that?
This is called wax and grease remover.
What's that? This remover?
Makes the area clean.
Oh my. That's a smart deal.
So the epoxy is gonna stick. Alright. Oh. Come on, bud.
Okay, Dad. That was weird.
Yep.
Dad, I can just like slide it down. I did not do it.
You didn't do it.
Let it go.
You both did it. You both did it.
Dad, look at you made this like a staircase. You look at boop, boop, boop,
Yeah.
boop, 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 boop. Then
I don't want you to sit up on that one.
why?
Because if you fall, you're gonna eat it onto the car. some loose strand on there to try to glue the two pieces together.
It's the heater.
The heater?
It's making that funky noise. Maybe that's what you hear? The heater?
Maybe.
Mm-hmm. Oh, is that a piece of the staircase?
No.
Yeah. Oh, so not me. Dad,
Yeah, what?
can I say one more thing to the...
Yeah, what do you want to say?
And if you have subscribed, hit that subscribe button.
Oh, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe.
And hit that little bell.
And the notification bell.
Yeah, and it will bring you to another video.
The notification bell will let them stay up to date on all my upcoming videos. Good job, bud. Thanks for plugging the channel. All right, I think we're good here.
And can I see the last part too?
The piece.
Yeah.
We're not done yet. We gotta wait. We're gonna come back and wait till this is done, and then we'll come back. I'm gonna just throw this one last piece right there for funsies.
Yeah, for funsies. Hey, now Dad. Now you can finally help me finish the path.
The path?
Yeah.
Oh, to the chicken coop?
Yeah.
Chicken coop path. So we put the bunnies in it?
Yeah, today. Remember you?
Oh, you want to do that today?
Yeah, but you said today we would do it.
Okay. We should probably do that, bud.
Okay.
Alright, is there anything else we should epoxy?
Hey, I know.
What?
How about we epoxy these holes?
Those holes?
Yeah.
No, those don't need epoxy.
Hang on a second. I think I know what was epoxy.
What?
These sides.
The sides?
Yeah, these sides.
No, I think it'll be fine. I think we're looking good. Alright guys, we got the patches all done. We'll find out in a couple hours if I got the epoxy ratio mix right. I hate it when it's drops per ounces. It was 12 ounces. It was 10 drops per ounce. It's like a lot of drops, and you know I didn't count everyone. So hopefully it'll be fine. If not, we'll scrape it off and clean it and start over, but we're gonna hope that it's fine. And it's not pretty, but you know what? The hood's never gonna be up. The underside, the top side is what's gonna matter, not the underside here. So we're just gonna hang out here, guys, and we'll see if that works. I'm itchy, man. That fiberglass got all everywhere, but here's hoping that works. Almost all over. All right, guys. So while I was working, my lights turned off and my heater, but my heater is ran to its own circuit. That's 220. Okay, I can't get my circuit breaker to work for my lights. Watch this. What the fuck is going on there? Let's try something. Let's unplug it and see what happens. That's fucking weird. Something is going on. Something weird. Something really weird is going on, guys. So we'll take a look. Alright. Let's see if they still will turn on. That's so weird. It's so weird. Where's some other guys? It's like a freaking weird. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? So weird. So weird. Let's plug it back in. It baffles my mind right now. Weirdest shit ever. Let's go see if it makes the lights turn on again. Maybe something's shorting out inside the unit. But they're on separate circuits. Yeah, look, still not working. That's fucked. Alright, folks. We're back. It's been like an hour. The garage is like 40 degrees. I can't believe it, but the fiberglass set up hard as a rock. So, we're going to try to flip this thing over. I'm going to try to flip this thing over, and maybe I won't drop it. Let's see.
Hopefully you won't.
Hopefully I won't drop it.
What
No. Josh.
What?
Come here.
Okay.
Grab the front of this one. Hurry.
Okay,
It's really
got it.
heavy. Pull it. Pull it. Alright, set it down. Good job, good helper. Alright.
Now if I go back up onto my stool.
Let me help you. Okay.
Yep.
You up there?
Side. Okay.
Alright.
Now I'm up here. Good for your background.
You're my good background.
Yeah.
Alright.
Maybe now you could try to show the people that maybe
The hood?
now you could try to chip off that and show the people now.
What are you talking about, bud?
Remember you were trying to chip off that the stuff the other video you were making?
Oh, chip it off?
Yeah.
Oh. No, it doesn't want to chip off. I'm going to have to sand it off.
Hand it off.
But anyway, guys, let's take a look at this. So we're just going to come and maybe cut off the, we don't even need to do this because we're going to be sanding the whole thing down anyway. But anyway, firm. Oh, sorry guys, out of camera angle. But anyway, solid as a rock. Now we just got to sand down all this Bondo to about here. All the way. All the way.
The other side.
All the way around.
Until you get to the other side.
What?
Until you get to the other side.
Until you get all the way to the other side. So that's going to be a lot of sanding. I probably won't show that, guys, but
And I'll help you.
you'll help me.
Yeah.
Hold on. Alright, guys. So that's probably going to be the end of today's little video. I would love to sand this all down and fix it all in one video, but I really want to put something out. It's been a while, and this is going to take a while. I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching yet another installment of Busted Ratchet Garage. And until next time, a peace. Dottie looking awesome. Dottie's hood. I think that's what I named her. Nobody wanted to comment what we should name her.